Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So y'all know I've been on the hunt for a decent drill that is cheap for everybody. You know, what I have is professional. It's kind of pricey. I mean, it's worth the price, but just for people doing their nails at home that just want to try to use a nail drill to help them along a little bit, like filing off gel or dips or just prepping your nail. I haven't had any luck. Well, one of you guys, and I'll put her little comment in here, told me about this one on Amazon. It was 15 bucks. Yeah, spoiler alert, I love it. So I'm gonna get it out of the box and show you. I am going to show you how I prep a nail to do dip or gel, or even just a polish, just a basic manicure to clean up your nails, and then also how to file off gel or dip, and even just smooth out what to use just to smooth out some dip, because you know that glittery stuff is a little chunky. It is a Melody Susie Sylvia nail drill. So I don't know, so many of these companies, you know, they buy this stuff and then they just brand it. So I don't know if that is the case with this one, but I love this thing. Hold on, let me get it out of the box. In the box it has a 20% off, so there you go. I did buy this on Amazon. These bits that come with it are really only for prep, and you can smooth out glitter and stuff, and I'll show you how to do that. But I prefer ceramic bits. Now I actually have this set and this set, I believe. I don't know, I have a couple of sets. I have a lot of drill bits that I've been trying out, and then I've just bought, you know, to use. I do have an Amazon store link down below, and I just been throwing everything nail related that I buy from Amazon in there, so you can go in there and look and see if there's generally if I buy it from Amazon, it's going to be in that store front. And I'm supposed to earn a commission there, but I don't think I have been. No. I don't think I have it set up right, but anyway, you can go in there and find the stuff that I use, the kind of bits I like. And I could not find a speed for this drill in here anywhere. I mean, it gives you the volts, and it's just got off is in the middle, reverse, forward. It does have lights. I don't know what they mean yet. It has a speed control. Just for like my reference, I feel like just using it, I feel like it goes from maybe 3,000 RPMs to maybe 10 is what I'm gonna guess, but I couldn't find it anywhere in here. All I found was the 100 to 240 volt. Penny looked it up. It goes from 0 to 20,000 RPMs. Right, Penny? So it does have a USB port, and I have 3 lamps here, and they all have USB ports on them, so that's not an issue for me. I know somebody else said that, well, they have a hard time plugging in. The cord, I'm gonna say, that's like a 5-foot cord. So there's the little light, reverse, forward. So reverse is going to be counterclockwise, and forward is going to be clockwise. That's all the way up, and that's all the way down. Off. So I mean, it really doesn't show you anything other than it's getting power. And these are the bits that came with it. It has a bunch of different sanding bands. I took those out. So I have several of different ones of these that come with all the drills. These really are not for much more than prep work. Penny and Tom are running out in the yard in front of me. So I did already pre-record me using this drill, and I'll just walk you through some of it. Essentially, all these bits you can use for anything you want, whatever you're more comfortable with. So I asked him to stay out of the house because he was trying to finish recording because he came home early. And this is what he does in front of my window instead, where I am recording. Big help there, man. Big help. Wave to the people. Alright, so I put just a clear dip on all my fingers here, except for my thumb. And just so you can see with this file, it's not going to take away any bulk, any of these bits really. They're just for cleanup. So this is how you would prep your natural nail. Just kind of go around, clean it up, make sure that there's no cuticle left growing up onto your skin. The bits, they fit really tight in there. You just have to, force it out. And different bits, I mean, I just feel like they are meant for one thing or another, but depending on just what you're comfortable with and what you're using it for. Now here I'm just filing off the shine off this nail. This one is gel, and then I put some dip over it, like a sugar effect. So this is how I would either just rough up the top of the nail so that I could soak it off. And when I do dips or use any kind of chunky glitters, I put an extra base and top coat over the top of that, and then use one of these bands just to smooth out. So you're not filing the glitter, you're just buffing the base and top coat to make that smooth. And then you would top it with another top coat if you were, just prepping for that. Now I switched to ceramic a bit so you can see how quickly this will really do a nice job helping get off dips or gels and not having to soak off. I always put just a thin clear dip on the base of nails, not so much mine, but everybody else's I do, so that I know when I file through that color and I can see nail, I'm not hitting nail, it's just dip underneath it. And then that makes it much easier to soak off, and there's absolutely no damage. I just flipped to a even stronger drill bit just to show you how to take off more bulk. And when you have it angled so that you're using the tip, you're not going to take off near as much, and it's going to be a lot more gentle. And make sure that whichever way your drill is spinning, so I've got it's spinning to the right clockwise, you move away the other way. So you would move, if it's spinning to the right, you're going to move it to the left. Otherwise it's going to jump on your nail. So as you can see, it's going to go a lot faster if I'm using more of the base of the drill than I am the tip. And I had just clear top coat underneath that, and I can still see some shine. So I'm not going to remove it all, soak it off. There's no reason to. There's nothing lifting. So I'm just going to take the sanding band and smooth it all out so I got a nice even surface to apply gel to, or whatever I'm going to do. And just make sure you hit the very tip of this on a file so that there's no rough edge that's going to cut your skin. But none of the bits that come with this will actually cut your skin. You can actually use them on little pieces of skin around your nail to kind of buff that off. Just be careful. And here I'm just using different ones to show you different ways you can, prep and make sure that you don't have any shine on your nail. I'm using this just to make sure I have a nice, even, rounded base area. Same with this one, you can go in just a little bit and kind of get in between there. Now I've seen people really hollow it out. I don't really do that, but you absolutely could. Again, it's not following my actual nail. Okay, my final thoughts are I really like this drill. I think it's a good drill for starting out. I think it's a good one to practice with. It's really cheap. I think it was $14.95, and then it had like a coupon included already that you get 10% off. So under $15 on Amazon. There was absolutely no wobble. There's no vibration. It's smooth, it's nice. Absolutely love it. So I did a little cutting of my thumb, little sugar stamping, and I'll have to show you how to do that stuff if somebody wants to know. Alright you guys, thanks for joining me. Bye. Bought this rocket launcher for Lucas, but Penny wants to play. You ready? No! 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 You got to chase the rockets. Not the puffy thing. Ready? You go get that rocket? You gonna get that rocket? Here it goes. Oh! No! Penny! No! Get the rocket this time. Ready? Go get it. Oh, no! There it goes! No! Let's try it this way. Okay, you ready? Now sit. No! Sit. Just really thought that she would be super excited about this thing. She just wants to eat that. Watch. Ready? Ready? Okay. No! Penny! No! Boogie boogie boo! Boogie boogie boo! Boogie boogie boo! Boogie boogie boo!